Yeah, pull some of that fur out. Look at all that fur. Yeah. We's in the process of shedding. Try not to, in case people are allergic.
What'd you say? She got offended because we saw her.
They do. And they get jealous.
Yeah.
You can't pet me and not my sister.
Oh look, she sheds just like a bean.
They shed so bad.
I'm staying in the shade.
That is a good idea.
They are very happy about the shade. They get hot.
Do you like the smell of money?
Then why were they staying in the shade before we came
Well,
in
they like
here?
the sun too. They like it both. They like to lay in the sun. It feels good to the bones. And then they get hot and they get under the shade, or they go in their cave in here. They have a big hole dug in there that's real cool they get down into. And when it gets real hot out here, they get in their pond.
Oh.
Yes, it's very big. They can both get in it and disappear. I hadn't been here very long, and I come in here to clean, and I couldn't find them. And I went in there and called for them, and I couldn't see them at all, and I was freaking out because I thought they had gotten out. And sure enough, here comes one of them. They do like this. They arch their back because the little rocks up there, and they make their way out. They're so funny.
Yeah.
It's their hiding spot. It's in their cave over here. Yeah, it's like their big dog house. You can come look.
Go look.
They climb all over the rocks. So inside the cave. Yep. Yep. Big hole, right?
Huh?
Taking pictures and videos. Come. Bye, puppy.
You want to stay here? Well, we gotta go over there. I know. You can pet Athena when you get. Huh?
Taking pictures and videos. Come. Bye, puppy.
You want to stay here? Well, we gotta go over there. I know. You can pet Athena when you get.